action takers, welcome in another video. Today we are going to discuss about the top 5 websites for every content creators that I recommend. So if you are new on this channel, make sure to like this video, subscribe the channel and turn on the post notification if you love this kind of contents. So I know being a content creator, you are always overwhelmed with what type of content idea should I use, how to get more content ideas, from where should I schedule, from where should I make this contents, so how to make it more entertaining, how to create the titles and everything, and all confusing and overthinking goes on and you are just end up doing nothing. I can understand this. So let's begin this video without wasting much time. So the first website which I'm going to recommend is Canon. Definitely, I love Canon and I use Canva Pro. So the channel art of this channel as well as the thumbnail of this video is made in Canva, as well as the contents and the stories and the highlights on my Instagram are also made on Canva. So you can see that quality. I love it, and that's why I recommended first website that you should use. So let's move on another website, and the second one is Renderforest.com. Renderforest is an amazing website to get a lot of video ideas as well as logo premieres. When I used this website, I was like, why I didn't got it earlier. I was just crazy about it and obsessed with this website. Now the third website which I will recommend is absolutely free is peppertype.io. This helps to get amazing content ideas as well as get more and more headlines ideas for your content. And the fourth one which I will recommend is publer.io, because when you are a content creator and you are using so many websites, so many social media, and you're just getting first that how to post everything everywhere on a specific time, you will like to schedule your content. What I suggest, what I also do is that I create videos in batch. This was also made in batch, and being a content creator, we are also first about that how to post on a specific time on different social media platforms. So what we all want, that we want to schedule our content, and that's also what I also do, that I also create my contents in a batch and then schedule them at once. The content you are seeing right now, the video that you are seeing right now was made on 7th October and I don't know what's the date and time it is when you are seeing this. So you can use publer.io to schedule your contents on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and so many platforms. And our final website is Grammarly. Grammarly helps in taking out the grammar mistakes, that grammatical errors we do in our content. I'm also some kind of bad in prepositions, to be honest. So it just removes all this and just make sure that your content is in a proper grammarly corrected way. You can just now go on all these websites and check them out. Wish you all a great day ahead, and also make sure to like and subscribe this channel and turn on the post notification if you don't want to miss any of the content. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram.